Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Jawa Timur Park 2nd and now I want to show you how to make a craft. Do you like it? Let's get started. The materials, we need two kind of fabric. I choose the dark color and the light color. We need also the ribbon, scissor, clip, elastic, thread and needle, also straight pin, paper, ruler and pen. The first step, we make a pattern and the length of 28 centimeter and the width of 21 centimeter. And then you fold in half like this. Again you fold and from this corner, this is the center, you take 5.5 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter and you connect. Then you cut this line and you have this pattern. After that, you copy the pattern only one. This green color you need one and the dark color you need one. Like this. Okay. Put together this fabric and the right side face the right side and you start sewing. You give space 5 centimeter here. Don't sew and start sewing from here. Keep sewing around to here so you can open this one. Turn the fabric inside out like this and you close here, sewing from here. You keep around to here. Okay. And now you prepare the ribbon. It's about 35. Okay. This one you need to. Also you prepare the elastic. This ribbon, the length of 35 centimeter, and the elastic, the length of 20 centimeter. You fold this fabric. It's about 6.5 centimeter, and you iron here also 6.5 centimeter. Then you put this ribbon, this is the line, you fold like this. Like this, and you fold like this and start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here, so you need double sewing. Also here, keep sewing to here. Repeat the same process with the other side here, like this. Okay. And then you fold like this. And start sewing from here to here. Do the same process with the other side, like this. And you fold and start sewing again from here to here. Okay. You take the elastic and you insert the elastic like this, and the face mask has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.